Hi, I'm Harry Powell, Head of Industry Solutions at TigerGraph, and welcome to the second in the series of Graph Database Basics. So, what is a graph database? Well, it turns out that the term graph database is somewhat unhelpful. In this case, graph is the mathematical name for a network of related information. It isn't a chart, a plot, or a diagram. And graph databases are really platforms for analytics and machine learning. They aren't databases for storing data. So a little unhelpful, but that's the name we've got, and I guess we're stuck with it. To be useful, a graph database has to be able to model the world as it is, with its diverse and disparate relationships and structure. Sometimes a node will have just one connection or a few properties. Sometimes it'll have many. A graph database has to deal with all this heterogeneity. Graph databases are built for deep analysis, not just of the nodes, but of the edges too. We say that edges are first-class citizens. Anything you can do with nodes, you can also do with edges. So you can add them up, count them, they can have properties, you can run algorithms on them. To do this, you need to be able to scan from one node to another along that edge really quickly and easily. We call this a traversal or a hop. If you want to run deep queries or graph algorithms or graph machine learning, which require a lot of traversals, you need to be able to do very fast hops and traversals. So graph databases are always built from the ground up specifically to do this. If you try to imitate a graph database with a relational database in the background, you'll never be able to keep up. You might be able to load the data in, but running queries, it will grind to a halt and you won't end up getting any insights out. Building a graph platform to run graph analytics and graph machine learning is really hard. TigerGraph is the only graph platform that's powerful enough to do this at enterprise scale and get results you can rely on. So you can get a free 50 GB TigerGraph Cloud instance at tigergraph.com/cloud, or you can email me at sales@tigergraph.com if you'd like to find out more. Thanks for listening.